Hi, I'm Margret Davis. I'm the VP of Fleet Management at Beacon Mobility. This is my fourth Chevin conference, and I was excited to get back and in person and be able to network and meet new clients and existing clients. The breakout sessions were informative. It was great to see the engagement and the collaboration from all the clients, new and old. And the Genius Bar has been a big hit. It's very exciting. The next gen module or product is exciting to see all the transition that Chevin has grown and all the changes that have been made. Well, in my current role, we are currently implementing Chevin for the first time, so we are building it from the ground up. In the past, I've used it at other companies that I've worked at, and asset management, maintenance, total cost of ownership, total fleet management. Having a centralized database to collect all of our data points from our 6 different companies within Beacon Mobility will be an advantage and allow us to really manage our fleet. It's been very good. They're very engaged. We have great support. Our account management team has been very collaborative, and we also work with some consultants from the Chevin side.